Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch accounts on Discord Mobile. It's a simple process, so let's get started. Launch the Discord app on your mobile device. Discord Mobile doesn't have a built-in option to switch between accounts directly, which can be a little inconvenient. To switch accounts, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. Scroll down and tap the Logout button. Once logged out, the login screen will appear. Then log into the account you want to switch to and you're in. It's unfortunate that Discord doesn't have a more direct account switching feature in mobile, but this method works just fine for now. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.